God damn, it's hot outside. I wonder what I should have for a pick-me-up. Let's see. A root beer? Basic. A Coca-Cola? What you think I am, a white farmer? A melon soda?
Hey guys, it's me, AJ, with my partner,
Chelsea.
Today we'll be making melon cream soda. Chelsea, do you actually know what is a melon cream soda?
Actually, I don't.
Well, melon cream soda is actually a refreshing drink by the Japanese, so today we'll be making it for a hot summer day. Before we get started, please Chelsea explain the ingredients.
Okay, so we have ice, vanilla ice cream, melon syrup,
Nata de cocoa, and lastly,
Sprite, or soda.
But if you want to have the decorations, like you want to put like cherries, it's actually optional. So we don't actually have cherries, so you can do it at home.
For the first step, put a minimum of 3 ice cubes into the cups. On the next step, add whichever brand coconut jelly you can find or have. We use Nata de Coco. And then, pour whichever brand melon syrup you have. We use one from Phrase.
Pour in a good amount of Sprite into the cups. Make sure to stir well until the color mix. Top it off with vanilla ice cream. You can use which brand whatever you like.
And ba-bam! Finally got my hands on the melon soda I've been craving the last 19 years. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell button. Comment down below. Take your friends. Tell your friends to take your friends. And see ya.